Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Dave, and I just want to give you a brief overview of how I've arranged everything in D2L for CSO 4050. So right now I'm on the course homepage. Obviously, you can get to it by clicking course home. Right now, you'll see an announcement. It's the welcome announcement. That'll be there when you have access to D2L, and each week I'll have a weekly announcement with some general updates, and of course, use that if there's any pertinent things I need to let you know throughout the course. The bulk of everything you're going to find in the content section up at the top. So this starts at the table of contents. The Start Here folder is where you're going to, again, start here. And you'll find the syllabus, the Getting to Know You survey, which I'd appreciate if everyone fills out, and a variety of just general information. Each week, you'll see we have our 7 weeks organized in the left-hand column. It's a 7.5-week course, although that last half week is just really finishing up final assignments and final exam, and I'll have some office hours, but we basically have 7 weeks of the course. This is an in-class course, so we'll be meeting once a week for 2.5 hours. The way each week is organized, you click on the week, and first you'll see kind of an overview of the week, the learning objectives for the week. Every week has a knowledge check, which is basically an online quiz. And then each week typically has one additional assessment. For example, the first week, there's an online discussion post that talks about goals, and you'll see a thorough description of the weekly assessment there. As you scroll down, generally, if there's any lectures I'll be doing in class, I'll have the slides available for those. And if there's anything we specifically go over in class, or just the recording of the class, if the technology works, you'll find that there. Additionally, each week you'll see we have modules. The first week we have 2 modules, Introduction to Public Health and Cannabis History. So if you click on those modules, you'll see a little bit more overview of what that module entails, and then the required resources for the week. The required resources are things I want and expect you to review and go through. There's usually 1 or 2 for each module. If you click on Cannabis History, you'll see there's a few in that, a little bit more. I've recorded a couple videos, online lectures, and then there's some additional resources. So again, there'll be a handful of required resources each week, which you'll find in the modules. And then each week you'll see an additional folder that says additional resources. This is going to be a very long list of other resources. These are not required, but they can be valuable to you when you're completing your assignments, on your discussion posts, getting more information for your quizzes, or just if you're really interested in a specific topic we're going over, give you the opportunity to explore deeper. So again, don't be overwhelmed by this additional resources folder. You'll see one in every week. There's week 2s, week 3s. Again, there are many, many resources in there. They are not required, but I think you'll find them valuable to have and utilize either during this course or on the rest of your cannabis journey. So that's a quick overview. Again, each week you'll see the overview, and immediately after that, the assessments for the week, which will be a knowledge check and usually either a discussion post or an assignment. And those resources we'll be using, some of them in class, some of them you'll be looking at on your own. And again, that's just a quick overview of how I've organized things in D2L week to week. Obviously, if there's questions, let me know. Look forward to seeing you all soon.